So what's up, you guys? It's your boy PrettyBoyFloyd here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you lay your edges. Now, in order to lay your edges, you're going to need a pretty good gel. I got this one online. I can actually send you guys the link. It's in my description, so you can click on that if you want it. When I use a toothbrush, and then like the day after, the gel kind of hardens the bristles of the toothbrush, so just make sure to wash it out and just make sure that it's soft again, because you're going to be pressing this thing on your forehead a lot of time. So basically, when you lay your edges, you just want to make like a wave pattern. So you just want to pull down like your loose hairs in the front and just try to make this S wave. So I'm gonna get my sister to do this. You don't need somebody else to do this. You can do this on your own. It's just because I didn't have a mirror and I was just looking at this tiny camera screen and it was just very difficult. So you can do this on your own. You don't need somebody else to do it. It just takes a lot of practice. Now what she's doing here is that she's taking her finger and she's sort of defining the shape even more. And this makes it a lot easier so that you're not, I guess, overcorrecting that wave pattern. So you just want to like do that till you get at the end of your hairline, and just keep on doing that. So I know this was a quick tutorial, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now this is part one because there are different variations to laying your baby hairs. I will come out with another part two once I learn those other like variations and stuff, so that's why I put part one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will see you guys next week. All right, peace.